My wife got this at Aldi's. I'm not sure how long they'll have this, but if you want to make a Korean barbecue, they have this Korean BBQ sauce from Kevin's Natural Foods. It's paleo and keto. And here's the instructions in the back. You can see that's the stuff. It doesn't seem too bad. My wife, she adds it to this plastic bag, and then she adds these short ribs that she got from Sam's Club for $8.98 a pound. Puts them in all together, and I tried it. It tastes just like regular Korean barbecue. So you can get this at Aldi's, or you can go to the Asian market and get Korean barbecue sauce there. Today I'm going to prepare some Korean barbecue short ribs. I got some short ribs from Sam's Club, about $9 a pound. And then I bought this from Aldi's. So we'll see. I've tried this already. It tastes just like regular Korean barbecue sauce. So first step is I have this Ziploc bag. And I'm going to pour this into it. Nothing special or fancy. Then afterwards, I'm going to put the short ribs into there and let it sit for a few hours. Nothing special here. Nothing special, just putting the short ribs into the plastic bag and just let it marinate. It's in the bag now, so mix it. It's pretty thick. I was thinking about watering it down a little bit so it mixes better. But let's use it as is. Maybe this is too much meat. This was about 3 pounds. So, that's done. Mixed it some more, and now I'm putting it in the fridge to marinate for a few hours. And that's pretty much it for now. We'll see how it turns out. My wife's already made a batch before, and she said it tastes pretty good. Save a few dollars a pound versus going to the Asian market. I wish there was a cheaper place to get these beef short ribs, but $9 a pound isn't too bad. Sam's Club short ribs with some sauce from Aldi's. Air frying it for about 12-13 minutes at 385. Halfway into this adventure. Time to flip it over. Look at this. Oh, stop. It's a lot of juice. These pieces are pretty fatty from Sam's Club. Might have to cook it longer than 13 minutes. I'm going to do an extra minute. So 14 minutes. Came out pretty good.